What's going on, everybody? It's Anthony from Tactical Adventures over at Forest City Surplus. And I'm just here to let you guys know that we are now selling 3D printed mock suppressors. These guys are beautiful, inspired by the NT4, inspired by not replicated. It's kind of a mix between the NT4 and just your traditional can. Again, this is 3D printed for aesthetic purposes only. For those of you guys who don't feel like paying $100 or more for a tracer unit, or for those of you guys who feel like they don't need a tracer unit but they like the look of the can and they want a suppressor type on there, look no further. We got it here for you. This one right here is 14mm counterclockwise thread, starting at $29.95. Personally, that is a steal for 3D printed mock suppressors and mock suppressors in general, if we're being honest. As you can see here, I put this guy on our G&G Raider 2.0 just to get a reference there. I also threw the G&G grip and the G&G G2 mag there with the Kill House K1 red dot sight, all of which are products that we also sell in store. And yeah, what else can I say? This thing is gorgeous. Yeah, that is nice. Alright guys, we are here in the range with the same AEG here. Again, the G&G Raider 2.0. With the same 3D printed can there, the mock suppressor. I went ahead and wanted to showcase the Romeo 8T by Sig Sauer, replica by Ram. I wanted to be in here just to let you guys know that it does shoot straight. The BBs do fly out, doesn't jam or anything like that. And again, it is a 14mm counterclockwise thread. So I'm just gonna go right here. I got a mag loaded in there. I'm gonna take a couple steps back for you guys. Yeah, I mean, there you guys go. Good thing it works. You can hear the BBs flying out. One more time. Yeah. So there you guys have it. $29.95. Come in and grab a 3D printed suppressor. It's fun. It's nice. It looks good. See you guys soon.